Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so enrollment actually succeeds. Confirm users have assigned Intune licenses and Azure AD accounts, and upload an Apple MDM push certificate using your Apple ID and CSR. Once done, create an enrollment profile in Microsoft Endpoint Manager and set platform to Mac OS. Make sure the device meets minimum Mac OS version and that you have local admin credentials on hand. Next, instruct users to open Company Portal or use DEP/automated device enrollment for zero-touch provisioning. Now configure the middle steps: build and assign enrollment profiles, compliance rules, and device configuration profiles. Start with an enrollment profile scoped to your DEP or user groups, then add compliance policies enforcing password, file vault encryption, and system integrity controls so devices meet security requirements. After that, create configuration profiles, Wi-Fi, VPN, certificate deployment, and privacy preferences to streamline access. Once these are assigned, monitor device check-ins in Endpoint Manager and review the Intune device logs for policy application status to catch any gaps early. To finish enrollment, have the user sign into Company Portal on Mac OS, follow prompts to grant system extensions, approve privacy permissions in Security and Privacy, and enable MDM management when prompted. Once enrolled, verify the device's compliance and profile status in Endpoint Manager and confirm connectivity to corporate services. If something breaks, gather diagnostic logs, the Company Portal logs, mdmcleant logs via console, and system extension or kernel extension status, and check the Apple MDM push certificate validity. These steps typically surface the root cause for quick remediation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.